What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now in this video I have an exciting method for you, and it's gonna allow you to make some really good money without a website, without a following. Basically, if you're just starting out, you don't have anything, you're a pure beginner, this method is for you. Obviously, if you have a following, even better, but you do not need a following, you do not need a website, you do not need a landing page. Everything is gonna be provided for you in this video. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to head over to Clickbank and create an account. Once you've created an account, you can basically look at different offers that you can promote. And we're using something called affiliate marketing, which is where we're basically partnering up with a business and we're helping them to promote their product and service. And as a result of helping them promote their product and service, we're getting a commission. And this commission can range typically from 50% of the sale price, 75% to even in some cases to 95%. And that will depend on the particular offer. And so I'm basically browsing around. Here are some really good offers. You can pretty much promote any offer you want, but I want to show you a really cool offer that I like. And this is Piano for All. And this is an offer that teaches people how to learn to play a piano, right? And the other thing you want to pay close attention to is you want the offer to have a decent gravity. I like to have my offers above 20 gravity, even better if it's above 50 gravity. And I like it typically below 150 gravity. Gravity is a rough indicator of a popularity of the offer. And so you do not want to promote offers that nobody else is touching. You also don't really want to promote offers that everybody in the world is promoting, right? You want to be somewhere in the middle, a nice Goldilocks, if you will, somewhere in the middle, a nice offer that's being promoted by some, but not, by everyone on this planet. And also, people are actually promoting it as opposed to an offer that nobody really cares about. So this has a gravity of 70, which is very healthy. It's an affiliate program that pays you $20, $21, right? You're getting 60% of the commission payout. And so you can go on the landing page. So here we are at the landing page. This is what the visitors are going to see. Now anyone can learn to play a piano. Order today. You can, it has the secret. It has testimonials, lots of interesting things. And so little fun fact for you. When I was younger, learning to play a piano is something that I liked, but I feel like, this is going to be very hard. And apparently this site makes it seem that anybody can do it. Like now anyone can learn. So it kind of piqued my interest, my curiosity a little bit as well. So you can place an order here. Let's go to the order page. You want to take a look at how much they're actually selling the product for. This is very important. And so we're going to scroll down. It's only $39. Wow, instant download, $39. And you can have $49 for this extra packet. So DVD is not available. We have this available, $39, right? So it's 60 days, 100% money back guarantee. And so, you have nothing to lose, right? You have, frequently asked questions, testimonials, the secret, everything that you need to know. The other thing I want to bring your attention to is you can go to the affiliate page. And what I really like about Clickbank offers is they have a wealth of affiliate resources that a lot of other kind of sites and networks, affiliate networks really don't have. This is like a Clickbank thing. And so we can go to their affiliate program and you have how much could you earn, how to get started, banner ads, promotional videos, write your own review text, piano related articles, sample testimonials, keywords. They basically give you everything and you can promote it any way you want. But in this video, I want to show you a really cool method of promotion, and we're going to be using YouTube ads. And the reason we're going to be using YouTube ads, there are actually a couple of reasons. The first reason we want to use YouTube ads is that they're actually giving us promotional videos. Okay, they're actually giving us videos that we can use. And these videos are already on YouTube. They're already available, right? 200 piano lessons. We can actually play this video and you can actually browse this video and things like that. And you want to actually view this video, see what they're all about. So as you can see, and you actually want to view this video, you want to make sure it's legit. It's a cool video. They're basically promoting. And then they also have another video. So let's quickly play this video real quick. We can play this video. It looks cool. And so you can basically promote either one of these. I think the first one sounded better to me. It's just music. There's no voiceover. But you can do both videos. And I'm going to show you how you can do this. using this special YouTube videos trick that not a lot of people know about and not a lot of people use. And this makes using YouTube ads very, very helpful for this case. And I'm also going to show you a couple of other tricks that you can use to make sure that you're not going to have any issues promoting this in YouTube. Okay, so make sure you watch the whole video. I'm going to be sharing with you some really important golden nuggets, a lot of wisdom here. And you probably haven't even seen some of the kind of, the tricks that I'm going to be sharing with you, because they're relatively new. Not a lot of people have been talking about them. So do not skip over this video. Watch the whole thing. The next thing you want to do is you want to go on YouTube and you want to search for piano videos. And I'm going to explain to you why in a little bit. But you really want to search for videos that are talking about piano. So here's the kind of videos you want. You want videos something like this. Here's top 5 amazing kids piano street performances. But you also want videos where they're kind of teaching you how to play piano. So something like this: how to play piano, the basics, piano lessons. This is perfect for us. In fact, this is probably, if this channel is all about pianos, is even better. Here's another one. This is a kind of a piano melody, relaxing background, chill out music, piano jazz for studying, sleep, work, relaxing music and rain sounds, beautiful piano music, calm piano music, right? But you're really looking for how to play a piano. So another thing you can do is how to play a piano. You're looking for these instructional videos, right? So we have for beginners. And so here's one, here's all these videos. And what you want to do is you want to open your notepad or your text editor, and you want to basically make a list of these videos. And I'm going to show it to you in a little bit why you want to do that. So here I have a little kind of text editor open. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get a list of these videos. And it depends how many you want. You can have 5, 10. I think even 10 is enough. So I'm going to go and copy all these videos here. Okay, so now I went ahead and I copied and pasted links to these videos. I have 10 videos here. I recommend having 5 to 10. The more the better, obviously, but 10 is enough. So now we have a list. We're going to go into YouTube ads, and I'm going to show you how to create a campaign. I'm going to explain why you want the videos there as well, why this is very important. So here I am in my YouTube ads. I had a campaign that I was running. We're going to start a new campaign. We're going to click new campaign here, and we're going to start from scratch. Now we want a campaign without a goals guidance. It's the best way. We want to pick video. We're going to pick custom video campaign. We're going to click on continue, and I'm going to show you how this works. This is extremely, extremely powerful method. And so the campaign name could be something like piano campaign. Our campaign total could be, you can have a daily budget or a total budget. Total, let's say we want a daily budget, and we want to spend $10 a day. We want United States. We want English, because this the whole offer is in the English language. So we want English. Now, inventory type. I like expanded inventory because I personally don't care where the ad is displayed, as long as Google deems that it's relevant, the audience is relevant. So I pick expanded, and it's also going to save me money because there's more inventory, and so there's less competition because there's more inventory. Excluded types, we don't really need to worry about this too much. Ad group name, we're going to call it AG1, ad group 1. Now we have the demographics. Now here is where you're kind of thinking what kind of audience you can reach. So you can go basically to affiliate program and see if they tell you your targeting, right? Why choose piano for all? Let's go into how much can you earn, how to get started. Do they even tell you? They do not tell you. So this is going to be tricky for us. You can kind of do the research and to kind of figure out what kind of people would be interested in. And I honestly have no idea. So I'm going to leave this wide open because honestly, I haven't done the research. We also have the audiences. I would not even look at the audiences. What we want is the placements, okay? Placements is where we're going to shine, right? And you can basically place this ad. That's kind of the beauty of Google advertising, is you can place your ad on specific YouTube channels, on specific videos, video lineups, websites, apps, and app categories. And we already have a list of YouTube videos, right? So we can basically copy this video here. We can even enter multiple placements here. So we're going to copy and paste this here, and we're going to enter them here and add 10 placements. And now we have 10 placements where our ad is gonna be shown, and only there it's gonna be shown. So it's not gonna be shown all across the internet. It's only gonna be shown there, okay? And that is kind of what you wanna do. Now the bidding, typically the way you bid is you're bidding on something called CPV, which stands for cost per view. And so even if you bid 10 cents, and typically you're not gonna bid higher than 10 cents for something like piano lessons, right? You're not gonna bid the highest. So if every time your ad is displayed, there are other advertisers trying to put an ad on that placement. So there's an auction that's happening. And so if somebody's bidding 5 cents, somebody's bidding 4 cents, somebody's bidding 3 cents, and you're bidding 10 cents, you will only need to pay 6 cents or 5.5 cents or whatever the margin is, just to beat out the highest bid. You're never gonna pay 10 cents unless it's absolutely necessary. And so I would recommend putting something like 5 cents, because when I've been running ads myself for other campaigns, things like that, I typically don't really pay more than 5 cents, maybe a little bit more. But this is piano stuff, it's absolutely fine. Next, you need to create your video ad. Thankfully, they've already done that for us. So we're gonna go and basically go into their promotional videos. We are gonna basically click share here, and we're gonna copy this link. We're gonna go click on this link, and all we need to do is select and copy link address. Okay, once we've done that, we can go back to the campaign and paste it here. And now we have we have a link. We have actually the video that we're gonna be showing. You're gonna click, we have video ad format, skippable. This is gonna be a skippable in-stream ad. And the way you want to see is the final URL. This is very, very important. You do not want to link directly, right? Because this is bad strategy. Obviously, what you want to do is you want to click on promote here, promote the offer. And once you're logged in, it's going to have your account nickname. You want to generate hop links, and you want to copy this. Now, what you do not want to do is you do not want to insert a URL like this, because that's just not a good idea. You want to sign up for a service called Linktree, right? It's Linktree with the last .ee as the domain suffix, right? So it's going to be linktree.ee. Okay, and once you're logged in, you're going to be basically you're going to be in this kind of screen here. And once you're logged in, you're going to be in this screen here, and then you can basically add your links. Now, the whole thing about Linktree is that you want to use it for several reasons. Number one is that it cloaks your links. So the offer, the page, Clickbank, everybody, they're not going to know how you're sending traffic to it. And I'm going to explain to you why. So for instance, here's my own link tree, right? I'm going to be sending traffic here, and I could put more offers. I can put more ideas, kind of piano. This is piano for all. Buy it for X amount, buy this, buy that. And nobody's going to know. Once they are on this page, once they click and they go to the actual offer, to the affiliate, once they go to pianoforall.com, they're not going to know where I'm getting the traffic from. That's actually a good idea, because we want to protect our traffic source, right? Because if you're not, then they're going to figure out, they're going to run their own campaigns. And so you want to protect your traffic source. The second reason is that you're not direct linking. You're using, this is kind of a mini landing page. It basically automatically creates a landing page that we can use, and you can put more links. And in my admin, I have a bunch of links that I could put. And this is a free service. If you want to upgrade, it costs like a couple of dollars a month. Then you can add extra stuff. You don't need to do that. Make sure when you're creating an account, you name it something related to the kind of product you want to promote. So this is going to be, instead of this J score here, it's going to be something like piano for beginners or something like that. You can put a custom image as well. And that way people are going to think that this is actually a page that resides on one of your sites. This is actually a legit landing page. And this is what we're going to be promoting. Now, when you're inside this admin area, you basically click add new link. You're going to click add new link, and you're going to enter the URL. So you can have multiple links. I already have a link here. We're going to delete this link. I already have the link here. And then I'm just going to take this link tree. I copy it to the clipboard. I go back to Google and I enter it here, right? And now we have a link. We can have a display URL that's going to be something else. It's going to be something like piano. You can have it piano for beginners. Call to action is optional. You don't need to do anything. And then you just basically create a campaign. And actually, I did not explain what the video, the different video ad formats. So we have skippable in-stream ad and video discovery ads. So this is very, very simple. A lot of people get confused with this. A skippable in-stream ad basically appears before, during, or at the end of a video you're watching on YouTube. So you've probably seen these ads. You've probably seen these ads on my own channel, other channels that you frequent. It basically displays a video and then it says skip ad, and then you can go back to watching your content. This is called a skippable video ad. A skippable in-stream ad, excuse me. A video discovery ad is basically a regular ad that gets displayed along other videos, basically on the home page or on the suggested video pane on the right hand side. And this is where it's going to get displayed, just like a regular video. And it's just like, it's basically promoting a regular video. Now we want to use skippable in-stream ad here because this is basically a pitch for a product. Right? It's a pitch. It's not a self-contained video that lasts like, 15 or 30 minutes. This video is like 3 minutes and 48 seconds because it is a pitch. It is the starting point of something else. It's not a self-contained video, and that is why it's a skippable in-stream ad. If you had like a tutorial, a 30-minute tutorial, and then a pitch, then it would be just a video discovery ad. You won't be able to make it an in-stream ad because for in-stream ads, they have to be under some limit. You cannot have a 30-minute in-stream ad. I think they have to be like 5 minutes or 3 minutes or 4 minutes or something like that. And you only get charged if they actually watch at least 30 seconds or click on the ad. If they click skip ad, if you're skipping the ads, the advertiser does not get charged. Google does not pay, nobody makes money off the transaction. That is why it's called a skippable in-stream ad, right? It's only when you don't skip it, when you watch at least 30 seconds of it, when you're interested in the ad, it's only that the money that you're making, somebody's making money, somebody's getting charged money. Otherwise, there's no fuss and no muss. You as an advertiser, you want to care about whether you're spending money for people that are not interested. And then thankfully, if they don't watch at least 30 seconds of it or click on the ad, you don't have to pay any money. And so this is another huge benefit of this particular running this kind of campaign. And that is all I wanted to share with you. Obviously, you can create a bunch of these ads. You can create more. You can create an ad. You can do multiple videos, and then it's going to show you a couple of more later on. That is an advanced topic. See, you can have multiple ads here. This is ad number 1. And so when you create a campaign, you can later on modify it, create additional videos, things like that. You can modify it, you can do all kinds of things. But that is the way you do it without a website, without a landing page, without an audience, without anything. That is the way you can set up a campaign in like 15 minutes and get started right away and start promoting Clickbank offers. All right, guys, so that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. If you enjoy this kind of content, let me know, leave a comment below, at least smash the like button. I want to see at least 100 likes on this video. I want to see at least 100 comments if you enjoyed this method. If you want to see more videos such as this one, let me know, because otherwise I just won't know if you want to see more videos such as this one or some other type of content. So do let me know, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, leave a comment, let me know what you thought about this video, and I'm going to be making more of these videos if there is enough demand for it. All right, guys, so once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.